Obsidians. What's up, man? We're going to the beach, so won't that be fun, Anna? Yeah. Yeah.
Is it the finals? Or they're in the series right now?
Very good.
Wait.
And then out.
Anna, when's the Tonys on tomorrow?
Oh, the Tonys?
Beatles. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. The cone. And more ice. Water. Okay, these are vlogs. I think that's what they're called. Is it upside down? Why are you upside down? What is going on? Okay, I'm sorry if it's upside down. Progresso. Not progressive.
You wanna fight?
It's working.
Is on the Wii, the octopus game.
It's like, no, stop. What the frick? It's for the sake of YouTube, Anna. Stop. And then there's Allie. This is a lot of wine. Oh. Stop
super
sniping
nasty.
Me. Stop sniping
So
me.
gross.
Oh, look at this. It's so weird. It's a donut, but not. Because it's a bagel. It's a bagel because of reasons. And there's Anna. Big mirror will go with it. So this is the condo. Can't show any people in particular. And it's pretty nice. And this is our bedroom with Anna. And I swear I'm not a 5-year-old. Okay. And here's my shoes. So, and I also wish I could have done more for this vlog. It's just a wild day, first day, but I hope I can get more footage in tomorrow. But anyways, I will see all you butt stallions in the next video.